Changzhou High-Erns Mechanical and Electrical Company Limited is located in Changzhou, established in 2005. The company covers an area of 6.6 acres land and has land. With 25 million yuan registered capital and monthly yield of more than 10,000 units, its products are sold to more than 100 countries and regions all over the world. It has grown to be a corporation with great influence in the generator sets industry. The company's main products include air-cooled diesel engine, air-cooled and water-cooled diesel generator sets, gasoline and diesel water pump units, small agricultural machinery. They can be widely used in many industries, such as civil, public, and commercial, including power stations, base station, military industry. The company has developed independent intellectual property rights for single-cylinder air-cooled engine, 198 FA displacement of 633 cc, 1102 F displacement of 718 cc, and two-cylinder air-cooled generator set, 2-volt, 98 F with displacement of 1326 cc. The company has successfully obtained 68 invention patents, utility model, and design patents. In addition, the company has passed and obtained ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification, European Union CE Safety certification, Spain's E-Mark EU 2016-1628 certificate, 3 kilowatts 16 kilowatt air-cooled units at 5,000, 4,000, 3,000 meters above sea level military products endurance test certificate. Our mission is to provide safe, reliable, cost-effective, responsible power generators and energy solutions through innovation, customer engagement, industry leadership, and operational excellence.